Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets A to Z. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC. Kids first read A. A for apple, A for airplane, and use red color. Kids again use red color and draw B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. C. C for cat, C for car. D. D for dog, D for doll. Kids night E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And use yellow color. F. F for fish, F for fan. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for God, G for grapes. H. H for hand, H for helicopter. Kids night I. I for ice, I for ice cream. And use blue color. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. K. K for kite, K for king. Kids night L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use black color. It's again use black color and draw M. M for moon, M for mango. N. N for nose, N for nest. Kids night O. O for orange, O for octopus. And use green color. Kids again use green color and draw P. P for parrot, P for penguin. Q. Q for queen, Q for quill. Kids night R. R for rose, R for rice. And use white color. Kids again use white color and draw S. S for sun, S for snake. T. T for teacher, T for tiger. Kids night U. U for umbrella, U for uncle. And use red color. V. V for van, V for vanilla. W. W for wallet, W for watch. Kids night X. X for X-ray, X for Xmas tree. And use yellow color. Y. Y for yak, Y for Yaya, Z. Z for Zebra, Z for Zoo. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.